Good morning YouTube, my name is Fee from Bits Bytes and this is a 10,000 rand budget Intel gaming PC build guide under 2 minutes. We have a wonderful Intel 11th Gen Core i5 11600 16GB 3600 MHz upgrade kit from Evetech. The entire kit costs 7,000 rand. It features the Asus Prime B560 Plus motherboard, an Intel 11th Gen Core i5 11600. It is a 6-core CPU with integrated graphics, base clock of 2.8 GHz and a boost clock of 4.8 GHz. For the kit offers you one stick of Clearvolt XR 16GB of DDR4 RAM at 3600 MHz. For cooling, you get the Gamdia Xion M240R RGB all-in-one CPU liquid cooler. For our storage, we have a Clev class C710 512GB M.2 SSD for 800 rand and a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive for 650 rand. For our power supply, we have the EVGA B5 550W 80+ bronze fully modular power supply for 700 rand. Finally, our case, we have the Antec NX 410 tempered glass gaming case, a mesh case for better airflow, and it is RGB, all for 700 rand. Total cost of the build is 9,845 rand give or take. Thanks.